The holiday season is a time for warmth, togetherness, and of course, dazzling displays of festive lights. In Southlake, Texas, where homes are beautifully designed and the community takes pride in its holiday spirit, customizing your permanent Christmas lights can create a magical, unique display that will wow your neighbors and guests. Permanent Christmas lights are an excellent investment that allows you to enjoy a stunning, hassle-free holiday display year after year, while also adding charm and personality to your home's exterior. Whether you're looking to create a whimsical winter wonderland or a more sophisticated and elegant design, customizing your permanent Christmas lights allows you to match your display to your personal style and holiday vision. Here's how you can make the most of customizing your permanent Christmas lights in Southlake. Choose your lighting colors. One of the first steps in customizing your permanent Christmas lights is selecting the colors that will set the tone for your display. The color scheme you choose can reflect your personal taste, create a specific ambiance, or even align with the architectural style of your home. Classic white. If you prefer a timeless and elegant look, white lights are always a great choice. They can create a warm, inviting glow that enhances the beauty of your home's exterior without overwhelming it. White lights are particularly versatile and look stunning on traditional homes or modern designs. Bold colors. For those who enjoy a more festive and playful vibe, colorful lights are perfect. Red, green, blue, and multicolor lighting can add energy to your display, creating a lively and joyful atmosphere. These colors are especially great for families or for homes in neighborhoods where everyone is participating in light displays. Mix and match. Don't feel limited to one color. Many homeowners opt for a combination of classic white and colored lights to create contrast and visual interest. You can even use certain colors for specific areas of your home: white for the roofline, red and green for shrubs, or blue for windows. Mixing colors allows for endless possibilities and customization. Integrate dynamic lighting features. While traditional Christmas lights are beautiful on their own, adding dynamic lighting features to your permanent installation can take your display to the next level. The latest advancements in lighting technology make it easier than ever to incorporate customizable effects that match the mood of the season. Chase and fade effects. With permanent Christmas lights, you can program your lights to chase along your roofline or fade smoothly in and out. This adds movement and energy to your display and can create a stunning visual effect that mimics the look of twinkling stars or gently falling snowflakes. Animation and patterns. If you want to create a more interactive experience, consider adding animated lighting sequences or patterns. For example, you could design a light show that mimics snow falling or have lights that dance to your favorite holiday tunes. Smart lighting control. Modern permanent Christmas lighting systems come with smart controls, allowing you to adjust the lighting effects and brightness remotely via an app on your phone. This makes it easy to fine-tune your display at any time, ensuring it's always perfect for every occasion. Design with your home's architecture in mind. One of the best things about customizing your permanent Christmas lights is that you can tailor your display to your home's architecture. Southlake is home to a variety of architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary, and the way you position and highlight your lights can enhance your home's unique features. Roofline and eaves. Highlight your home's roofline by placing lights along the edges of your roof and eaves. This creates a clean, defined outline that emphasizes your home's shape and structure. You can also add subtle downlighting to create depth and interest on your walls. Windows and doors. Use lights to highlight your windows, doors, and any architectural details such as columns or arches. Wrapping windows with lights or outlining doors with vibrant color schemes can add a festive touch to each entryway. Landscaping and trees. Don't forget to include your yard and landscaping in your holiday lighting plan. Wrapping trees and shrubs in lights can make your entire yard feel festive. For larger trees, consider using lights that can be adjusted for different effects, such as dimming or flashing. Add personalized holiday touches. Customizing your permanent Christmas lights gives you the opportunity to infuse your display with personal touches that make it unique to your family and home. Here are a few ways to make your display even more special. Holiday symbols. Incorporate symbols or icons that represent your family's holiday traditions. Whether it's a reindeer, a snowman, or a sleigh, you can use custom lights to outline or create fun holiday shapes that add personality to your display. Seasonal themes. If you love a specific holiday theme, such as a coastal Christmas or a classic winter wonderland, use your lights to enhance that look. Blue and white lights can mimic snow and ice for a wintry theme, while green and red create a traditional holiday vibe. The lighting can be paired with festive decorations like wreaths, garlands, and bows to complete the look. Interactive light shows. Make your display interactive by incorporating music synchronization or motion-activated lights that change when someone walks by. This can add an element of fun to your display and make it a memorable experience for those who visit your home. Ensure energy efficiency. While customizing your permanent Christmas lights to create a dazzling display is exciting, it's also important to consider energy efficiency. LED lights are the perfect choice for homeowners who want to reduce their electricity usage without sacrificing brightness or color. LED lights use up to 90% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs, making them a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option for your holiday lighting. Additionally, many smart lighting systems offer programmable timers, allowing you to control when your lights turn on and off, further reducing unnecessary energy consumption. Conclusion. Customizing your permanent Christmas lights is a fun and creative way to enhance your home's holiday display in Southlake. From choosing the right colors and effects to designing with your home's architecture in mind, permanent lighting allows you to create a beautiful, personalized holiday experience that shines year after year. Whether you're aiming for a classic look, a fun animated light show, or a more sophisticated design, custom Christmas lights provide endless possibilities for making your home a beacon of festive cheer in your neighborhood. With the added benefits of energy efficiency and low maintenance, permanent Christmas lights are an investment that can make your holidays brighter and more magical for years to come.